Hi, I'm Daryl. I own Trinity European Service and Repair, and we specialize in all European cars. And we've been using Simple Green for the whole time I've been in business. And I was first introduced to Simple Green, I think back when I was about 17. One of my friends had a fishing boat, and his dad demanded we use Simple Green to clean the boat. Ever since then, I've always remembered that was a great product, and we've been using it ever since because it was known by a lot of boating people. It was a great product, and that was back when I was 16. I'm 65 now. So this product's been around for a while. I would say some of the best things that I like about it, it comes very concentrated. So as you're using it, you can keep adding water to it to dilute a little bit, but it still holds the strength up really well. The cleaning ability of it is intense. As far as all the rest of the products, they're all very excellent. I've used everything you guys have, and I appreciate everything. So a lot of it, you can actually spray on certain engine components and let it sit for 2 or 3 minutes and either air blast it off or rinse it with a little bit of water. We always collect all the residue that comes off and contain it and have it hauled away. But it's a very intense cleaning agent. It doesn't have any horrible smell, so which a lot of cleaners out there do. This is very odorless, but the job it does is really super good. So we also use it when we get oil on the floor. I definitely put some Simple Green, works really well. We hit it with a mop bucket, some fresh water. It's awesome. Dries, it's not slippery, takes everything off I need it to take off. Doesn't affect the paint. So as far as Simple Green, I'm planning on using this product till I don't work anymore, which is going to be probably another 10 years. We appreciate the product. It works super good, and I'm very happy with it. So I have no reason to change my products that I'm using to clean the shop.